I be having this sweet craving, right? It's so good. Let me make it for y'all. Okay, I'm gonna get my organic coconut sugar. I don't know, I be craving this sometimes. That was a lot. I don't want it that sweet. Oh, it's boiling over. My Rizz coffee. Y'all, they need to put me on the affiliate for real. 2 scoops. 2 scoops. And some honey. Raw honey. Now, if I sell this for them, they better hire me. You also need some vanilla organic oat milk. Warm it up. Pour it in your cup. Okay? Stir and enjoy. That's it. You have you some coffee. Now I know that's too hot and I know it's probably too sweet. So I'm gonna put some more oat milk in it. Cold. To cool it down a little bit so I don't burn my taste buds like I did yesterday. I was so pressed to taste it yesterday. Burnt my taste buds. It was so good too. Y'all, that's the best tasting coffee that's clean and pure. Baby, listen. If you want some clean, pure coffee, get you some Rizz, some organic coconut sugar, some organic oatmeal, and some natural local raw honey. Baby, listen. This right here. Stay. Don't move. Stay. This combination right here. Ooh. 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 Girl. Now, they say you got good nutrients and it got good stuff behind it. So, what I'm saying is, if you want some clean, good tasting coffee, go get them. Okay? Rizz. I don't know why the older I got, I've always liked the taste of coffee, but I don't want to drink coffee because I'm not a coffee drinker. But then they came out with this mushroom coffee. Baby, listen. Oh, it's so good, y'all. Just try it. Just try it. Get you a spoon about this big. Fill it up with sugar. Put it in a cup. And then put about that much honey in there. Put it in your cup. And then get 2 scoops. 2 of this. Put it in your cup. Now this is like, I would say this is like a 20-ounce cup. I'm thinking. I don't know. I'm not into coffee and stuff. I don't drink coffee and stuff like that. I don't know. I'm thinking it's not 8 ounces. It's not 10 to 16 ounces. So I'm thinking this is like a 20-ounce cup. So you need 2 scoops of this for you can get the good rich flavor. And then you're going to have about 2 cups of this. Okay? And heat it in this. Okay? And then pour it in here. Pour the heated milk in here. Now you can use almond milk too, but it tastes better to me with this organic oat milk. This one, to be exact, okay, it only has 3 ingredients. It's dairy free. The ingredient list is very shallow. You see that? Y'all see that? It ain't too much to read. You see that? It got water, organic oats, and sea salt. That's it. Now they got one that got vanilla flavor in it. It's good too. So that will make it 4 ingredients. But this is all you need, baby. Rizz me up, okay? And Rizz, if you want to send me, you know what? Holla at me. I'm available.